Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
That is one chief that I refuse to age. Yes. All well, Ademola. She is also in the building. Please a prolific director, actor, songstress.
I see you. God bless you.
Thank you. Please be seated. Thank you for appreciating our own. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen,
DJ MJ, I see you. God bless you.
The one who is making us proud in diaspora.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time Mr. BMW, please come and help with your people. Thank you so much.
Please permit me to quickly recognize the filmmaker, the director, Adibayo Tijani. One church, Anglican, then you enter another church, one can say English is there, Yorubani, and the pastor is going to go like, oh, one paru Oluwa lẹ́ẹ̀mẹjọ, oh, paru Arao lẹ́ẹ̀mẹsàn, oh, paru Ogo lẹ́ẹ̀mẹwàá, ẹ̀sọ́ dàdúrà. Seriously. All right about now, without wasting time, back to back, I'm going to be calling on my brother.
Thank you. It's a political gathering. I would say I'm sitting or standing or waiting on the existing protocol. But this is a theater gathering. So I need to pay homage to my bosses, my fathers, my mothers, my uncles, my aunts, my orens, my colleagues, my aburos in the industry. I am here to present another legendary award to a legend. But before I go on that, I need to congratulate Odunade Adekola for doing this. Please put your hands together for Odunade Adekola, because this will live even when Odunade grows old to like 150, 200. Tori Mama wa njoko, Mama Odunma ti 150, 200, 300. So by Lotto, this will still live after him. Please put your hands together for him once again. So I am here to present another award to a legend in the industry. This man, this Baba, actually paved the way for so many people in this auditorium, including my humble self. He's a director, a director's director. He's an actor's actor, a director's delight. He has everything it takes to make a good film. He is so sound, so articulate, brilliant, and so bold. I make bold to say he's so bold. He's a leader, he's a father. He's everything that has to do with this profession. Ladies and gentlemen, according to Mr. Odunade Adekola, he said I should call just 6 people to step out in honor of this recipient. But I'm so sure almost everybody in this auditorium will be here on this stage, because I have that honor, that privilege, a singular honor to be the one to call on my own father, a mentor. And before yesterday, he was a prince. But after yesterday, he's not a doctor. Put your hands together as I call on Prince Dr. Jide Kosoko. Put your hands together. Prince Jide Kosoko is a Nigerian actor, director, producer, and a legendary figure in Hollywood who has been acting in the film industry for over 4 decades. Born on January 12, 1954 in Lagos, Nigeria, Jide Kosoko began his acting career in the 1970s, performing in stage plays and television productions. He gained widespread recognition in the 1980s with his roles in films like Ashimila and Ogun Ajayi. Throughout his career, Jide Kosoko has appeared in over 200 films, including classics like The Meeting, Last Flight to Abuja, and Royal Hibiscus Hotel. He has worked with numerous top directors and actors in Hollywood.
We can do better.
And I present to you our father, our mentor, an actor, a thespian, a living legend, Dr.Prince Jide Kosoko. Doctor, put your hands together for doctor. It's quite my pleasure, sir. Sir,
Ọ̀bẹ́gìjà láì bẹ́ẹ̀ ọjà, àkọ́ṣoṣo àjànàkú tí mi gbọ́ kìjì. Ó dúró níta lọ́sán, ó dúró níta àpá, ìlàsáwó kò gbọ́dọ̀ rókó, ọ̀pá ẹlẹ́wọ̀n ò gbọ́dọ̀ ródò. Pàmùpàmù, jìgìjìgì, ọmọ mọ̀rán fọ́dún mọ́ jagun bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́, ọmọ ọba kì í jagun bí ẹrú.
ladies and gentlemen, if you're an actor or not, please put your hands together for our Baba Prince Dr. Jide Kosoko of Pretoria. Bí a bá ń tọrọ ọmọ òwò ara mi, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ṣàlàyé rẹ̀ fọ́lọ́run Olúwa o. Fọmọ rere ṣìkẹ́mi, fọmọ rere ṣàròlé mi o. Fọmọ rere ṣìkẹ́mi, ọmọ tí ó tẹ̀ ìtẹ́ ìṣe o. Ọmọ tí ó gbélé bàbá rẹ̀ ká, tí ó ṣe lé ìyá lóore. Èdùmàrè gbóhùn mi o. What will I say than to appreciate all these people? To appreciate Odunlade Adekola in particular for doing this. This is a very huge contribution to the continuous growth of our industry. We appreciate you, and honestly, we appreciate you. And Almighty God in His infinite mercy will continue to be with you. You will continue to excel. Ó ti wà lókè o ní jábọ́, wà á tún máa ga sí ní àṣẹ Ọlọ́run Bàbá, Ọmọ àti Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́. I am so happy today because you can see even those people that are our serious partners then, now, until tomorrow. Our marketers, our distributors, they are here with us. Tani kí wá sọ ewu gbogbo àwọn gbàngbàngbà tó jáde yìí. Ojú òní tẹ̀ yìí náà. Almighty God will be with each and every. I appreciate this. I appreciate it so much. Let me say thank you to Odun and the organizers. Agbaki, thank you everybody.
Congratulations, my darling. Congratulations. To everyone who had been standing.
I will tell you that later.
I love you like that.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.